Wireless earbuds have never been more overwhelming and more exciting. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. From budget gems to powerhouses, here's what stands out in 2025. Nothing ear A equals unbelievably good value. These 2024 earbuds still look sleek, sound amazing, and cost under $100. You get in-ear detection, excellent ANC, a low-lag gaming mode, multi-point connection to 2 devices, and even a Find My Earbuds feature. Pinch the stems and ChatGPT answers your queries if you have a nothing phone. Seriously, for this price, these are a steal. Bose redefined comfort with Bose QC Ultra Earbuds 2. The QC-U2s deliver punchy, energetic sound, and cocoon-like ANC is among the best ever. New perks include wireless charging, multi-point connectivity, and an embedded wax guard. They're premium in every way. Apple perfected their most popular earbuds, AirPods Pro 3, and now they're seamless with iPhone, ultralight, and comes with better ANC, Dolby Atmos support, live translation, and heart rate monitoring. The slim case and stable buds make them ultra comfortable. They're the best choice for iPhone users, really. Huawei Free Arc are the best open design earbuds for situational awareness and solid sound. These are lightweight, secure, and IP57 rated. Though there's no ANC, and Android users must sideload the app. And last, it's Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Samsung's Golf Club Style Pro earbuds are the real deal for Galaxy users. It's got head-track spatial audio, 24-bit high-res support, strong ANC, and exclusive features, making them a powerhouse. From value budget chams to tech-loaded legends, these are the earbuds that actually deserve your attention in 2025. Do you own one of these already? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.